Managing a single project efficiently is challenging enough. But imagine handling multiple ongoing projects without a telephony system integrated with your CRM. Even with Pipeline, a robust CRM, a lack of proper phone integration creates chaos. Organizing contacts and tracking call logs becomes cumbersome. Agent-client communication suffers, project follow-ups get delayed, and frustrated clients result in slowed business growth and fewer closed deals. You need an efficient telephony solution integrated seamlessly with your Pipeline CRM. KrispCall's integration ensures that contacts, call logs, notes, and tags sync automatically. No more toggling between applications. Initiate calls and send SMS directly within Pipeline. Stay organized, productive, and actionable in real time. Are you ready? Let's get started fast and easy. Log into your KrispCall account and go to Settings. Navigate to Integrations and search for Pipeline. Clicking on Connect, KrispCall will prompt you for your Pipeline details. On your Pipeline account, go to your profile and click on Account Settings. Then go to API Integrations in the sidebar and click on the API Keys section. Retrieve the details and then add them to KrispCall and submit it to activate the integration. Great! Your Pipeline CRM is integrated successfully. Tailor KrispCall's integration in Pipeline CRM to match your workflow. Set up data sync preferences in General Settings, then configure workflow-specific sync options for better alignment. Need a structured conversation? Assign dedicated numbers for calls and SMS to keep interactions organized. Once you customize your needs, go to your Pipeline account and stay ahead on every. Update call logs effortlessly, speed up follow-ups, and track your work progress in every stage of your projects. Need a break from manual entries and duplicate contacts? You got it. Whether you add a contact in KrispCall or Pipeline CRM, they sync automatically in both platforms, keeping your database up to date without extra effort. Ready to start calling? First, install the KrispCall extension on your browser. Then go to the People section in Pipeline, search for the contact you need, and click on the KrispCall icon. Choose the call option, and your dialer opens instantly. No switching between apps. While on a call, you can even add tags and take notes to capture key details. Sending SMS is just the same. After you click on the KrispCall icon, select the SMS option, type your message, and send it directly from Pipeline. Everything syncs automatically to your activity feed, along with call logs and incoming and sent messages, keeping your records organized and updated on the go. Missed a call? No problem. With unanswered calls enabled to voicemail, you'll receive a direct link to listen to the message right in Pipeline CRM, so you can take action without any delay. One integration, complete control. Power up your Pipeline CRM with KrispCall and keep your call logs organized, synced, and always accessible. Don't let inefficiency slow you down. Start today and streamline your workflow instantly.